you're not familiar with what Lakka is, it is an operating system purely designed to run RetroArch. Now RetroArch is a system that can run all your retro games, as you've seen at the start with Crash Bandicoot. As well as that, we can play a myriad of different consoles. Now today I'm going to be showing you quickly and easily how to install it onto an SD card and run it from your Amlogic Android device. First up, let's go to Lakka.tv and download our appropriate file for our device. So I have an MXQ S805 here. There's a few different variations, so choose the one appropriate to your device. Next, we need to unzip it and then write it onto an SD card using Win32 Disk Imager. Now I'm going to choose a really fast SD card purely so the system can run nice and smooth. Next, we can go to our Android TV box, slide it into the side of the box, and then we can boot it. Now this won't affect your Android installation on your device. It won't affect anything like that. Next up, we need to hold in the reset button. Sometimes some TV boxes will just boot straight into it, but yeah, hold in the reset button. Lakka is now booted. Now we can transfer some ROMs and start playing some games.